With us today is Tony Maioni. He's the president of Core America, and he's here to talk to us about Simple Check. Tony, tell us all about your product and what impact it has for those in the industry.
Sure, thanks, Jeff. So our product is Simple Check, and it is an app and reporting system for cleaning professionals to log and track their most important cleaning tasks to help their customers enjoy cleaner and healthier buildings. The way the app works is you set up QR codes in important areas of your facility, and you can scan them with the app, and then you can sign off that you visited that space and perform the appropriate cleaning or disinfecting activities in that area. Now, a customer or an occupant in the building can go with their phones without the app and just using the camera can put their camera over that same QR code and see the last time that that space was cleaned or disinfected or serviced. So it allows anonymous occupants of the building to also have visibility into the cleaning process, and it puts the app in the hands of the actual cleaning or facilities team to log their compliance and their activities as they go about their duties of the day. A final piece of the technology is that it allows for easy sharing of the reports. So there's a whole reporting website and automatic reports that you can generate, GPS logging to see where you were in a building or on a campus. And these reports can be exported, filtered, and easily shared internally or externally. Where Simple Check started was really from the pandemic. Our company, Core America, we are cleaning consultants that work with in-house and outsourced cleaning programs. And as we were speaking with our customers in the earlier days of the pandemic, a lot of them were asking for some kind of digital or electronic tool to help them verify their enhanced cleaning activities and to show their stakeholders that they were doing these extra services. And we realized that a tool like that didn't exist in the marketplace, and we have several other tools for quality inspections and workloading, but our software developers had yet to make a simple compliance checklist for logging these important tasks. And so we set off to build a tool that we can give back to the industry, allowing the masses from a smaller cleaning team all the way up to your biggest cleaning organizations to use an easy tool and use this QR code feature to track their cleaning activities. And that's exactly what we did. So we set to work on it. We actually interviewed a large number of our customers and cleaning professionals to learn exactly what they wanted in the industry. And then in May, we launched the first version of the app. The idea for the app is that it sits somewhere in between the free kind of almost too simplistic checklist tools that you can use, maybe just an Excel spreadsheet or a Word document, but somewhere much simpler and cheaper than a very robust over-the-top tool that might require hardware installation or the building's Wi-Fi and other more kind of advanced and expensive features. So I think that's what really makes our product innovative. We feel that by talking to all of our customers beforehand and designing an affordable and very easy to implement app solution that any day porter or cleaner can get on their phone and start using within a minute or two, that we found the sweet spot where it's going to be very beneficial for the industry, but ultimately help us fulfill our company's purpose, which is to help our customers shape their cleaning programs to help people enjoy cleaner, healthier, and safer buildings. And that's exactly what this app will do.
Let me ask this extra question, Tony. So could this be used as a marketing tool for companies to maybe get jobs because they can prove what they're going to do for that client?
Yes, Simple Check could be absolutely used as a marketing tool. The hope is that it's more of an operational tool that actually is used and not just kind of touted that it could be used. So we made it in a way that the average operator or cleaning day porter or supervisor could absolutely start using it within a few minutes of downloading the app. But the idea is if you're going to market it and say that you're going to use it, it better be easy enough and usable enough to put in place, and especially with something as critical as monitoring these extra activities that maybe you're getting paid more money to do, or your customer is allowing you to have additional cleaning personnel on site. And so it's a great way to show that you're getting the most out of those extra people, and that your customer is getting their money's worth if they've invested in that extra amount of cleaning.
Sounds very cool. How can people get more information?
People can get information by visiting mysimplecheck.com. We have a description of the app there. You could also sign up for no commitment free trial and download the app and just start playing around with it. Also, you can visit us at our Core America booth at the ISSA show this November, or meet us on the innovation floor where we'll have more information there.